Hello, I am here to do a review of this taco holder set by Art Home. It's a food grade stainless steel taco holder. And it looks like this. I purchased this on Amazon. I will link it below. It holds 3 tacos. Got my tacos right here. This actually worked great. Not only did it make it easy to fill the tacos, but look at that. Look how pretty they're standing there. So I would highly recommend it. They're stainless steel, so they're easy to clean. They're going to be sturdy. They have a little bit of flexibility, but it's a thick enough stainless steel that I don't think it's going to bend or misshape in any way just with the standard use. So I would highly recommend these, and let me know down below how much you enjoy tacos and if you would be able to use a product like this, because I didn't think I needed one until I had one, and yeah, I needed one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!